Hello students, this is a very interesting transfer pricing question and trust me, many students get confused here. But once you understand the logic, it becomes very easy. Let's start the question. Division A produces three products X, Y and Z. All three products has an external market as follows. We are given here external market price for unit X is 48, product Y is 46 and product Z is 40. Next, variable cost in division A. For X is 33, Y is 24 and Z is 28. Labor hours required for X is 3, Y is 4 hours and Z is 2 hours. Now one more important point. Product Y can be transferred to division B and division B may need maximum 300 units of Y, product Y, but division B has another option. Instead of buying from division A, division B can purchase from the market at rupees 45 per unit. So naturally division B will ask, why should I buy from division A if market price is cheaper? That is why we need to determine the transfer price. Two suggestions are given. Labor hours available 3800 and in second option given is 5600 hours. And we have to calculate the transfer price for 300 units of product Y. Alright. Before doing calculations, always ask if division A produces Y for division B, what is the opportunity cost? Because when division A produces Y, it may lose the opportunity to produce some other products. So we must check which product gives the highest contribution per labor hour. Let's start the calculation part. First we need to calculate the contribution. So we will subtract the variable cost from the external market price. In question, the external market price data is given and variable cost also given in the question. So we can calculate the contribution per hour. 48 minus 33 is 15 for Y. 46 minus 24, 22 is the contribution per hour. And for product Z, 40 minus 28, variable contribution per unit will be 12 per unit. Now, required hour is given in the question. 3 hours for X, 4 hours for Y and 2 hours for Z. Now divide contribution by labor hours. We will get 5 hours for X, 5.5 hour for Y and 6 hour for product Z. So as per the contribution per hour, ranking will be Z. Z will be the first rank 6 per hour, second rank of Y 5.5 hours and third rank of X it is 5 per hour, meaning division A will prefer producing Z first and next priority will be given to Y and at last priority will be given to product X. First, let us see the hours needed for maximum external divide. So in question it is given 3800 hours. Alright. Now X will require 800 units. In question, it is given X will require 800 units, Y will require 500 units, and Z will require 300 units. So we cannot produce everything, right? If we multiply with the hours, we will find total 5000 hours. But in question, it is given 3800 hours only for first option. So we cannot produce everything. Since Z gives the highest contribution per hour, so we produce Z fully. Let's start with the Z. To produce 300 unit with 2 hours per rate, total utilized hour will be 600 hours. Now remaining hours is 3200 hours. Next priority will be given to the Y. External demand of Y is 500 units and hours needed for that 500 is 4 hours. Now total hours required to make product Y is 2000 hours and remaining hours is 1200 hours. Now only 1200 hours left for X, and X requires 3 per hour per unit. So units of X produced is equal to 400 units, but demand was 800 unit, meaning 400 unit of X are sacrificed. And now we have left this spare capacity with the nil. Now to produce and transfer 300 units of product Y to division B, hours required 300 units into 4, total 1200 hours, but we left with the spare capacity is nil. Here balance hour required to produce further units for division B is 1200 hours. Now if we completely discontinue product X and made further units, what will be the transfer price? So if we discontinue product X, we left with the hours available is 1200 hours. How we get that? From here we get that the 1200 hours. Now transfer price. Contribution of X per unit is 15 rupees. Since we need to produce 400 units of X, so opportunity cost per unit per hour is 5 rupees. Now producing 1 unit of Y requires 4 hours, so our opportunity cost will be 1200 hours into 5 rupee divided by 300 units. If we solve further, we will get the 20 rupees as a opportunity cost. Now add with the variable cost, we will find total transfer price of rupees 44. But division B can buy from market at rupee 45. So acceptable transfer price will be rupee 44 to 45 range. Generally 44 per unit will be the transfer price. Now coming to the case 2. Here we are having available hours are 5600 hours. Before calculating the transfer price, we first need to check how many hours are required to meet the demand. So for product X, maximum demand is 800 units and labor hour required is 3 per hour. So total hours required for product X is 2400 hours. For product Y, maximum demand is 500 units and labor hours per unit required is 4. So total hours required 2000 hours. And for Z, Maximum demand is 300 units and labor hours per unit is 2. So total required hours is 600 per hour. Now let's calculate the total hours required. If we calculate, then we will find 5000 hours. Check the capacity. Total labor hours is 5600 hours minus total 500 hours. So 600 hours of spare capacity will be left. Now division B wants 300 units of product Y. Each unit of Y requires 4 hours of labor hours. So total hours required for 300 unit will be 300 into 4, 1200 hours, and we left with the spare capacity of 600 hours. We will subtract the spare capacity. Now balance hour required for 600 unit. The remaining 600 hours must come by sacrificing X. So in this we will sacrificing product X partially. In this case transfer price will be variable cost plus contribution loss of product X. In this case we only took the 600 hours as a spare capacity. So 600 into hour required is 5 per hour and total 300 units. If we calculate, we will get the 10 rupees and variable cost is 24. Total transfer price we will get is 34 rupees. If labor hours available are 5600 hours, the transfer price for product Y will be rupee 34 rupees. So remember this concept. If full capacity is not enough, opportunity cost will be high. Opportunity cost will be high. If some spare capacity is available, opportunity cost will be partial. That's why in this case the transfer price becomes 34 per unit. Guys, please like, share and subscribe for next video. Thank you.